same way that you did about me yesterday. Promised you never leave me alone. The castles that we made were swept by the tide and washed away, and now the sunsets have all gone. Now time is moving faster than before, and now we can't even seem to find the shore. 'Cause baby, I know that you still love me, and baby, know that I love you too. So tell me, why can't we make it better? 'Cause all that I know is found in you. I'm missing your love, I'm missing your face. All of our past, don't let it erase. I know that you still feel the way I do, because I'm still in love with you. I wanted to move on. Unlike you, I'm not that strong. And now our day in the sun has set. We walked side by side, leaving footprints in the sand. Now only my footsteps remain when the tide rolls in. Now time is moving faster than before, and now we can't even seem to find the shore. 'Cause baby, I know that you still love me. I've got something to say. Words can't describe the way that I feel.
Buat Adith dan Tiara, selamat. Semoga menjadi keluarga yang sakinah, mawadah, warohmah, barokah, selalu dilindungi Allah dan diberi keturunan yang solih, solihah. Dan semoga perkawinan ini membawa berkah agar lebih baik ke depannya. Amin.
Setelah perjalanan panjang, kedua mempelai akhirnya menjatuhkan pilihan untuk berjanji bersama, hidup bersama dalam suka dan juga bahagia. Dan kedua mempelai Adith dan Tiara ini sudah melakukan akad nikah pada tanggal 6 Agustus 2015 di Jalan Soekarno-Hatta, Perumahan Bank Indonesia, Kediri.
Selamat buat Mas Adith sama Mbak Tiara, mudah-mudahan jadi keluarga sakinah, mawadah, warohmah. Coba punya momongan. Happy wedding, Adith and Tiara. Be a happy family ever after.
Buat Mas Adith sama Mbak Tiara, semoga menjadi keluarga yang baik.
Mas Adith dan Mbak Tiara, semoga lekas diberi momongan ya. Selamat bahagia.
Selamat menempuh hidup baru. Semoga menjadi keluarga yang sakinah, mawaddah, warohmah.
Selamat atas pernikahannya ya Adith sama Mbak Tiara. Semoga selalu langgeng, diberkahi sama Allah Subhanahu wa taala. Dan yang terpenting adalah cepat punya anak. Oke, FPC 1.